Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Wallpapers and Style. Then let's scroll to the wallpapers and enter the section, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So here we've got the pre-installed options which we can apply. Right here we've got also this album option, so we will be transferred to our own photos. We can set them as a wallpaper, or you can tap on more wallpapers, and if you've got the internet connection you will be able to choose something from those online wallpapers, which are I believe free. However, be aware because you need the Realme account, so you have to log in to be able to download the specific wallpaper. So let me choose something from those options, so I just don't want to waste the time. Let me pick this one, just tap on the specific wallpaper and then tap on apply to. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. And now we can check the lock screen and the home screen preview. Of course, we can customize it here, like for example, add the depth to the wallpaper, so this clock will be hidden. Here in the home screen section, we've got also this color option. Let's simply tap on it. So as you can see, you can set the solid color like that. Like here, just tap on it. You can change the intensity, so you can make it a little bit lighter or darker, or you can choose the gradient option, so it's totally up to you, but I think I prefer to have it matched with my lock screen. So all we have to do right now is to tap on apply in the right upper corner, wait a second, and our device will immediately set it as our home screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.